Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the commercial truck trader app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The commercial truck trader app gives buyer and seller of commercial truck and trailer a dedicated platform to browse listings, set filters for truck types, prices, mileage, body styles, and contact dealer directly. According to reviews, it is strong tools when it works. User praises the large inventory and search features. That said, there are significant drawbacks from the platform. Many sellers report getting few meaningful leads, encountering scams contact, and experience poor support when things go wrong. And if you are buying or selling commercial vehicles, the app can be worth using. But go in with caution, verify listing carefully, use trusted dealers, and don't rely solely on the app for critical transaction in order to avoid being scammed. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.